Hey there, homeowners. I'm Bobby Moore, and welcome back. With over 30 years of experience in real estate and home renovations, I've seen it all, from stunning transformations to the kind of mistakes that make you want to pull your hair out. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: home upgrades that homeowners regret. The goal of this video is to help you avoid those common renovation pitfalls that can turn your dream home into a regretful headache. Whether you're planning a small remodel or a major overhaul, I've got some insights that could save you time, money, and a lot of stress. And hey, if you're looking for more personalized guidance, don't forget about our home renovation and remodeling toolkit course. You can find more information down below. Let me share a quick story with you. A few years ago, I worked with a couple who decided to turn their garage into an awesome home theater for themselves and their kids. Sound cool, right? Well, they ended up regretting it big time because they lost valuable storage space, they used it a lot less than they had thought, and it didn't add much value to their home. Stick around because I'm going to share practical tips to help you avoid making similar mistakes. First up on our list is overly customized features. While it's tempting to make your home uniquely yours, going overboard can actually hurt your resale value. Think about it. Custom murals or niche architectural features might be perfect for you, but could be a turnoff for potential buyers. It can limit the pool of interested buyers as well. Now, let me say, if there is absolutely no way you're ever moving, there's zero chance of ever needing to move, then customize away. Just understand the long-term resale value is likely to be less. Next, let's talk about high-maintenance materials. Materials like marble countertops or exotic wood floors might look stunning but require a lot of upkeep. Marble can stain easily and needs regular sealing, while exotic hardwoods can be easily scratched and may require special cleaning products. The initial wow factor often fades when homeowners realize the ongoing effort and cost involved in maintaining these materials. Now, for me personally, marble is worth it, and I'll do what it takes. Exotic hardwoods, not so much. Unnecessary room conversions are another common regret. Converting spaces like garages or basements into specialized rooms, such as home theaters or elaborate hobby rooms, can seem appealing, but often don't add significant value. For instance, a friend of mine turned their basement into a full-fledged gym, only to find out later that potential buyers would have preferred the extra living space or storage and didn't want to pay the price to remove all the mirrors and redo the ceiling, as well as some other items that most homeowners wanted changed out. Then there's excessive landscaping. Elaborate gardens might look beautiful, but can be incredibly difficult to maintain. The long-term costs and labor involved in keeping up an intricate landscape design can quickly become overwhelming. Too many homeowners regret it later when the maintenance becomes too much to handle. Beware of trendy design. While bold wallpaper and unconventional color schemes might be all the rage now, or you love it, trends can quickly become outdated. I remember when shiplap walls were all the craze thanks to popular TV shows. Fast forward a few years, and many homeowners are scrambling to figure out how to incorporate it within their homes without it looking dated. And for those interested in that, the answer to that one is less is more. So use it, but don't go overboard, and consider painting or staining it a different color than white, which has been a bit overused. Another pitfall is poorly planned open spaces. Creating too much open space without considering functional flow can lead to issues like lack of privacy and sound management problems. I once visited a home where the owners had knocked down several walls to create an open concept living area, but ended up regretting it due to the noise and lack of distinct spaces. Let's talk about DIY electrical work. This is a big no unless you're a licensed electrician. Not only are there serious safety hazards involved, but doing electrical work without professional help can also lead to code violations and costly fixes down the line. Trust me, it is not worth the risk. Another common regret is overbuilding for the neighborhood. Adding too many luxury features can make your home stand out, but in a bad way. If your neighborhood doesn't support those high-end upgrades, you may not see a return on investment when you decide to sell. I had clients who installed an elaborate outdoor kitchen in an area where such features were uncommon. They ended up not recouping their investment when they sold the house. Finally, let's discuss ignoring energy efficiency. Skipping energy-efficient upgrades is something you can regret long-term because you'll end up paying more on utility bills and may miss out on potential resale values. Plus, a lot of states and municipalities now are having some tax rebates or incentives in order to increase the energy efficiency of the homes in their area. Worth checking out. Poor insulation or non-energy efficient windows are common culprits that homeowners wish they had addressed sooner. And so again, don't forget to check your local government and state government for rebates and those tax incentives that can lessen the cost. So, how do you avoid these common pitfalls? First and foremost, research and plan thoroughly before starting any project. Create a detailed budget and timeline to keep yourself on track. Knowing what you're getting into can save you from unexpected surprises down the line. We always recommend to our clients to create a scope of work and detail out their project hopes and dreams before talking to contractors or designers. Always consult professionals, especially for major work like electrical or structural changes. Hiring experts may seem costly up front, but can save you thousands and a lot of headaches in the long run. Professionals bring invaluable experience that ensures your project is done right the first time. Opt for timeless designs instead of chasing trends that might go out of style quickly. Classic neutral designs have lasting appeal and can adapt easily as styles evolve over time. Think about materials like subway tiles or neutral color palettes that stand the test of time. I also like to add in splashes of color throughout the houses and homes that I do. I've used skateboard tiles in a shower and bolder colors in a room or two to personalize the house and make everything pop. When choosing materials and designs, always prioritize practicality over aesthetics. Beautiful but impractical choices often lead to long-term dissatisfaction. If it's going to be high maintenance to you, but it might not be to someone else, it's still not worth doing because you'll be frustrated and disappointed. We recommend to always keep in mind resale value when planning upgrades. Features that appeal to a broad range of buyers will make your home easier to sell down the line. Simple upgrades like modernizing the kitchen or adding energy-efficient windows often yield high returns on the investment. If you're tempted by trends, and most of us are, try incorporating them through smaller changes like decor items rather than large-scale, let's gut the house and redo it now. This way, if the trend fades quickly, it's easy and cost-effective to switch things up without major regrets. One room in the latest wall color, or an island in the latest cabinet style or color, rather than all of the cabinets, gives you a current look without dating exactly what year your home renovation or remodel was done. Lastly, maintain flexibility in your design choices by opting for elements that can be easily adapted or changed later. Modular furniture or multi-purpose rooms offer versatility that caters to the evolving needs of a family without requiring major overhauls down the line. If you're looking for more detailed guidance on how to navigate your home renovation journey successfully and have fun doing it, be sure to check out our Home Renovation and Remodeling Toolkit course listed below. It comes packed with budget planning tools, design tips, material recommendations, how to negotiate and deal with contractors so you don't get ripped off, and how to stay within your budget, and so many more things. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making your home everything you ever dreamed it to be.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.